In today's Monday Quick Tip, we're going to talk about how to set up your attorneys to work best with a document camera. Welcome back to another Monday Quick Tip, where we go over tips and tricks to make you faster, more efficient, and more valuable to your trial teams. In today's Monday Quick Tip, what I'm going to go over is setting up your document camera so that your attorney looks their best when they're using the document camera. Now, a lot of times when you turn on the document camera, by default, it's usually zoomed all the way in or all the way out. But what I like to do is I always like to make sure that the document camera is zoomed into a level that fits just the amount of width of a piece of paper. That way, it's already all the way zoomed in for most pieces of paper, and the attorney doesn't have to deal with it, and the document is nice and big so that everyone can see what's going on. If you leave it at the default, where it's either all the way in or worse, all the way out, then the attorney has to make a decision. Do I try to get the entire document in? Which most attorneys, given the option, will try to do that for some reason, even though this is completely illegible. Or do I try to zoom in? A lot of times what ends up happening is the attorney does something in the middle. So take the decision making away from them, leave the document camera, turn it on in the morning when you get to the courtroom, get a piece of paper under there, zoom it in so that way it's just at the right amount of zoom, so that way when they stick a piece of paper in there, they won't have to make a decision. All they have to do is line it up. So that's today's Monday Quick Tip and how to work with attorneys who are wanting to work with a document camera. If you have any questions about that, feel free to leave them in the comments. I'd love to talk to you guys more about it down there. Thanks so much for making it all the way to the end of the video, and I will see you in the next one.